Alright, I got the GoPro working. We're good. You excited? Good job. Well, at least you can shoot.
Get her on.
Kelly, go!
We'll walk this up as far as we can that way. And then we'll have to come back, go back where we came, and go that way. But we can't even get to the inside stuff here because of the creek. Can't cross there. Possible. I'm afraid of that.
Dad. Holy, look at that. Dad. There's a whole bunch of birds right in this corner.
No kidding.
And
I thought they'd all be
way back there too.
Well, what's sucks is we can't work this side.
There's a bunch right on the other side too. You almost want to bring that other one, but I wouldn't do that. That makes it unstable. No, that makes it unstable.
Okay. Yeah, rock or slippery.
Yeah. Okay, new idea actually. What if we put the boards on the dam?
What?
What if we put the boards to this dam and kind of step on that dam?
Yeah, what's the end game? Then you get to...
No, then you go down to the rock.
Down to the rock, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'd stick your foot in that, yeah.
Okay, now let's see if I can get back.
Yeah. Kelly, sit. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, don't go that long.
Listen.
That's doable, but...
Yeah, but getting back...
Here.
Or toss me it. Just throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground.
Don't.
I'm helping you.
Let go of me.
Okay, take your time there.
Okay, Callie, go.
I don't like where you put that board, but...
I like what I did there. I grabbed that thing.
I don't.
So I now step up to that next rock. I really don't think we should do that. I think we should leave that.
I think coming back though, we'll struggle.
Over like I did. You can just come back. Okay, load up.
Whoa. There's like 100 to your left. Dad, look to your left and see how many 100 or just keep coming. There's just line after line after line. There's like hundreds there. Dad.
Oh yeah, and they're not. There's some that are sitting on the water here. So,
Yeah, a
but
bunch.
That's not where they're roosting.
A bunch landed right there.
They came from all over there.
I know. Do you see them? Just line after line after line. Dad.
through here.
Too far.
Okay, get down, get down. See if they fly over. Okay, don't move. Quit moving. Now.
You got the drake.
Yeah, I whacked that drake right there.
Different. We're gonna
Get him,
Get him.
Callie.
He's alive. Now
Yeah.
he's gonna die. Oh, thanks.
Well, why didn't you shoot? What are you doing? They're all hens, weren't they? Trying to find a drake in there. Was it a drake? Dad. Hey, Dad.
Too low coming in.
Okay, get down, get down. Nice shot. This should get him. You let him get out there a ways.
Tried to wait as long as I could to get it to work.
There's a GoPro on.
Yeah.
That was a good shot though. Cause you let that one get out there a ways. I didn't think you were gonna shoot.
I had to. Plus the dog was in the way.
Those ducks are back again. Come back.
Alright, we better start heading back.
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah,
Good girl, buddy. Look at that guy. It's still kind of a young one there.
You gonna film me doing this?
No. That'd be bad karma to film me crossing. I wouldn't do that.
The birds. Where's the roosters? Where's the roosters, pretty girl?
Wow, look a little more unhappy, Callie.
Callie. Where's the birds?
She looks so bad.
Just don't understand pictures, do you?
You're just angry. Oh,
Whoa, where's the birds? You want some food?
she knows that trick. What do you think, Dad? Thoughts on the day?
Didn't work out.
Yeah.
But got a nice rooster and shot a couple of bonus mallards we weren't expecting, and
Yeah.
you know, so it's a good day.
Yeah.
Better than working.
Found a field you could hunt too. Maybe. Look at all those ducks right there.
Yeah,
Just piling out there.
yeah.
Wow.
They keep going back and forth.
Look at them keep coming behind the barn there. There's just there had to have been 1,000 plus in there easy. We ended up picking a few off from that pond just sitting down there. No decoys, but they were kind of coming in. But yeah, too bad the pheasants didn't work out because we could have actually had quite a few there. It just didn't work out. We improvised and made a little bridge to cross the river, so we at least got some. But better than nothing for sure.
Let's go see if we can find a field for tomorrow.
Yep.